Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin WEMIX. WEMIX has gone up by 81% over the last 1 week. The last 1 month has seen it gone up by 104%. The altcoin market is bubbling. Grit has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. WEMIX is trading around the $2 region. Where are we going to in the coming days and the coming weeks? In this video, we'll take a look at the WEMIX US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. WEMIX has had a crazy bear market, but at the same time, we're gearing up for one huge pump to the moon. Can we go straight to new all-time highs? Which key levels are we going to find resistance along the way? We'll be taking a look at WEMIX performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin. Finally, looking at WEMIX market cap. We trade around the $676 million level. Can WEMIX market cap rally above $1 billion before the end of the year? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. WEMIX currently trades above $2. WEMIX has a market cap of $677 million. Circulating supply sitting at 322 million tokens. WEMIX has a total supply of 977 million tokens. WEMIX fully diluted market cap sits at $2 billion. WEMIX all-time high happened on the 21st of November 2021. WEMIX was trading for $24, with down 91.46% from its all-time high. Its all-time low happened on the 22nd of June 2021. It was trading for as low as $0.12, but up 1,500% from that all-time low. WEMIX 3.0 Mainnet is an experience-based platform-driven service-oriented decentralized blockchain protocol which powers a mega ecosystem of Web3 platform. The Mainnet is a high-performance Ethereum virtual machine, compatible open-source protocol powered by the stake-of-proof authority consensus mechanism. The Mainnet claims to offer the highest security possible based on decentralized chain on governance by 40-node council partnership. Let's take a look at the WEMIX US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. WEMIX got a crazy pump in the previous bull market from June of 2021. We saw WEMIX rallying up by 192x to end the bull market in November of 2021. In 147 days, we saw WEMIX going up by over 19,000%, which meant $1,000 invested in WEMIX would have given you over $197,000. But the altcoin market is very strange. We always see big pumps to the moon, and at the same time we can see huge jumps to gobbling town. Those huge jumps to gobbling town can be very devastating. We saw WEMIX losing 99.4% of its value, and that's how the bear market works. Crazy things can happen in the bear market, but those huge jumps in gobbling town in the bear market always eventually lead to huge pumps in the next bull run. The $1 million question is, are we in a new bull run? How high can WEMIX go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We have seen WEMIX hold this key support level in 2023. WEMIX has not gone below that $0.55 level, but at the same time, we have not been able to rally above the $2.5 region. But we're pumping to higher prices right now as Grit has returned back to the altcoin market. We expect to see WEMIX rally above that $2.5 level before the end of the year. But earlier in the video, guys, I told you I don't expect new all-time highs. So how high do you expect to see WEMIX go before the end of the year if we're not expecting to blast into a new all-time highs? One of the key levels I'm watching out for will be the 5.9 to the $6 region. WEMIX could easily get rejected there. You could easily see WEMIX rally from where we're currently trading to the $6 region. That was 68 pump up by around 200%. Now, guys, a 200% pump might not sound outrageous, but if you think about what WEMIX has been doing since the bottom of the bear market in December of 2022, if we get to the $6 region, WEMIX would have rallied up by over 4,000%. We first saw it start 2023 on a very bright note, continue that rally that ended 2022 with. So WEMIX rallying up by 1,900%, pumping in 84 days. So huge swings can happen in both directions. Huge swings can happen to gobbling town. We can also have huge swings to the moon. But remember, guys, you want to buy low, you want to sell high, you want to buy extreme fear, you want to sell extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. And we've been following this channel for a while right now. We preach buy low, sell high. Through the course of the bear market, we have been accumulating, getting ready for that big pump that is coming along the way. We've seen greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, the altcoin season index tells us we're heading towards alt season. The altcoin season index is an index that tells us where capital is situated in the cryptocurrency market. Is capital in the Bitcoin market, or is capital flowing into the altcoin market? Over the last 90 days, we've seen Bitcoin going up by 21%, but we've seen a lot of altcoins also outperform Bitcoin in that 90-day period. And if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, it's an alt season. If you zoom in and go on a monthly time frame, guys, we're already halfway into an altcoin month where we see altcoins pumping to higher prices. The last 1 month has already seen a lot of altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. Even though Bitcoin is up 23%, a lot of coins in the altcoin market are up more than 23% in the last 1 month. WEMIX is up more than 100% in the last 1 month. A lot of altcoins in the market are also having a great time in the last 1 month. If you take a look at WEMIX performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, we are pumping against Bitcoin. We are outperforming Bitcoin, but guys, don't get carried away. Don't start thinking WEMIX continue pumping to all-time highs against Bitcoin forever. We saw WEMIX having that huge rally in 2021 where it outperformed Bitcoin by 110x in just 133 days. But that was not the only side of the story. After that, the bear market came. We also saw WEMIX dumping to Goblin Town. And that dump to Goblin Town was very brutal. A 97% dump to Goblin Town. 2023 has been two sides to the story. We started the year on a very bright note, rallied up 500% against Bitcoin, but we gave back all those gains, even going to the negative. Right now, WEMIX is trying to have another push against Bitcoin. I believe we'll get to new highs in 2023. That will rally into new yearly highs, rally above where we stopped in February of 2023. But I don't think we'll see WEMIX pumping to new all-time highs. For context sake, guys, WEMIX previous all-time highs sits around the $25 level. For WEMIX to rise to new all-time highs from our currently trading, WEMIX will need to give us another 1,100% pump to the moon. And I'm not saying it's not possible. I'm just saying I don't see it happening before the end of the year. Greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. Sentiment in the market last week was neutral. Last week, the bulls and the bears couldn't decide where we're heading to in the near term. But we've seen over the last few days, over the last few weeks, we've seen great return back to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin has gone to trade above $35,000. Ethereum is pushing towards $1,900, maybe clearing the $2,000 level. A lot of altcoins are moving slowly, but every day is adding up. Like WEMIX is up 18% the last 1 day, 80% the last 1 week, 103% the last 1 month. I'll not be shocked to see WEMIX have a very great November. If you see extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, which is a telltale sign that people are getting very risky, is a telltale sign that the market is risk on. Guys, remember to take some profit off the way. You are here to make some profit. You are here to make some money. Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Where do you see WEMIX going to in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is the $2 level enough? Are we going to blast above $2.5, setting new yearly highs? And do you see us attempting new all-time highs, or do you believe we're going to have difficulties rallying above that $6 level? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Take a look at WEMIX market cap, guys. WEMIX market cap sits around the $676 million level. For WEMIX market cap to pump to new highs, we have to see the market cap rally above $3 billion. Rallying above $3 billion is very possible. It can happen very, very quickly. For WEMIX to do that, we'll have to see WEMIX rally up by around 300%. For WEMIX to rally up 300%, the market cap will head back to the $3 billion level. What would that do to the price of WEMIX if we see a 300% pump from where we are currently trading? A 300% pump from where we are currently trading, we see WEMIX going WEMIX price will trade for as high as $8.5. So according to market cap, if we're hitting the all-time highs, the price should be around $8.5. Are you very, very bullish on WEMIX? Are you bear? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section, guys. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.